Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is extremely likely an ABC of wave Y. I think this right here is three ways up for a W, three ways down for an X, and I think it needs to make three ways up for an ABC of wave Y, probably taking it up above these highs before we potentially do get a bigger push to the downside. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a Crescent. I think that would make this right here a wave 1, which is a wave 1 of C. This would be an ABC 2 of C. I think we are very likely already in that wave 3. I think eventually it's going to have to make a 1 of 3 or 2 of 3, but I definitely think we are already in that wave 3, which I think is going to turn into a very large uptrend. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the Aussie dollar definitely does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape waves up. Definitely did take out the high of wave B. This possibly could even turn into a bigger push down, possibly even like a wave 2 and a wave 1, and then go back up for a wave 3. There's really no evidence that this is going down for wave 2. We don't really have any break or structure down yet. It possibly could just be a crescent to this last push up. It could possibly just make a smaller three-way pattern, and it could possibly just keep on trending up. Which either scenario, I think we are definitely going to be able to recognize on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, to start off with, I would just have my Fibonacci right here. And I would probably be looking for shorts if I was a short time frame trader. And if it goes down, bounces from a fib level, makes it a nice impulsive engulfing move up, then I would take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it just keeps on pushing down and eventually goes down a break structure, that's what's going to probably tell us that we were in a bigger crescent, but I still think it would be a crescent, except for it would be a bigger one for an ABC of 2, and this would be a wave 1. So either way, definitely keep paying attention to your fib levels, and you should be able to tell the difference. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I think there's a pretty good chance this right here. I would obviously say it's either a wave A or a wave 1, three waves up, either wave B or wave 2. I expect price to make some sort of a corrective pattern down to one of these fib levels, either scenario. So if you do trade the shorter time frames, I would continue to look for shorts. But if you do see this breaker structure up to the upside at a Fibonacci level after making three waves down, that's what's going to tell you that it's a wave C, and that's what's going to tell you to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But I would have to see this picture right here with the nice breaker structure and a fib bounce in order to turn back into a buyer on the shorter time frames, because there's always a chance that it does just keep on pushing down and turn into a 1, 2, 3 of wave A, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked in the corner down here below. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.